Spoken English course, English Conversation Practice Part 2, Shopping Mall English Conversation. Hello, how can I help you? I'm looking for gifts for my children. What would you like to buy for gifts, sir? I think t-shirts would be fine. Sure, that's a nice idea. Then help me find some t-shirts, please. What sizes do you need? I will need a large for my son and a medium for my daughter. What colors do you prefer? I will get a blue one for my son and a red one for my daughter. Please see this corner. We have different designs and quality. Oh, great. Here are some fancy t-shirts. I will take these too. How much do they cost? Not much, only $20 each. Okay, that's fine. Would you like to buy gifts for your wife, sir? Not right now, thanks. How would you like to pay? Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Visa and MasterCard. Okay, here is my Visa card. Thank you. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Friends, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you and bye-bye.